How to download YouTube videos without YouTube Premium. Hello everyone, this is Max. Welcome back to another tutorial video. So let's start without wasting any time. Also make sure to watch till the end. First of all, open up YouTube application. Now find the video you want to download. Simply select the video or tap on it. Wait for the ad to finish and simply tap on skip. Now once you do that, tap on the pause icon. Now under the channel name, you can find different options. Now scroll to the right. Now here you can find an option for download. Simply tap on it. Now as you can see, you have two options, medium and low, for the video quality. Select the quality. For higher quality, you will need to get YouTube Premium. But you can download YouTube videos with low quality without YouTube Premium. Now simply tap on download. Now to access the downloads, tap on your profile at the bottom right corner. Now scroll down and tap on downloads. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon. See you in the next video.